We don't just report on the future, we decode it. Welcome to Novatech.
The Battle of the Robots. Neo versus Optimus. Which one will win?
A robot just walked into a family home. It weighs 66 pounds, and it learns by watching. This is the race that changes everything. 2 humanoids, 1 household, only one gets the keys. 2026. The year humanoid robots stopped being prototypes and started arriving at your front door. 2 companies are leading this charge. One from Norway, backed by OpenAI. The other from Texas, backed by Elon. First, the underdog. 1X Technologies, founded in Norway, 2014. Now headquartered in Palo Alto, California. October 2025. 1X launches Neo, the world's first consumer-ready humanoid robot. Price tag, $20,000. 5'6", 66 pounds. Quieter than your refrigerator at just 22 decibels. This is a machine built for living rooms. No exposed metal, no pinch points. Neo's entire body is wrapped in a custom 3D lattice polymer shell. Forget rigid gears. Neo uses tendon-driven actuators inspired by human muscle, low inertia, gentle contact, designed to yield, not resist. 22 degrees of freedom per hand, 44 total. That's human-level dexterity, enough to crack an egg or fold laundry. At 66 pounds, it can lift over 150. That's a strength-to-weight ratio that defies expectations. Neo's brain runs on Redwood AI, a vision language model processing the world at 5 Hz on board. January 2026. 1X deploys its world model. Now Neo learns from internet-scale video and teaches itself new tasks. Unload the dishwasher, water the plants, fetch your morning coffee, open the door for guests. Day 1 capabilities. But here's the catch. For tasks Neo hasn't learned yet, a human operator from 1X takes the controls remotely. That means a stranger can see through your robot's eyes, into your home. 1X calls it Expert Mode. 4 hours of battery life, 2-hour recharge. It's a half-day worker at best. For now. Then the twist. December 2025, 1X signs a deal to send 10,000 Neos into factories and warehouses. Can't afford 20,000. 1X offers a subscription. $4.99 a month. 6-month minimum. A robot on lease. Soft, safe, smart enough to learn, but dependent on human pilots and limited by a 4-hour battery. Neo is promising. But there's a second contender. One with deeper pockets, bigger factories, and a plan to build 1 million units. In 2026, Tesla will flip the switch. Optimus Gen 3 will start production. The game changed.
They built Neo to help you. They built me to change everything.
If Neo is the artist, Optimus is the factory. Built for scale, built for repetition, built by Tesla. August 2021. Tesla AI Day. Elon Musk walks on stage and unveils a dancer in a spandex suit. The world laughed. Robotics experts called it a scam, a marketing stunt. But Tesla kept building. Year after year after year. Gen 1 could barely walk. Gen 2 folded laundry and sorted objects. Each generation closed the gap to human-level ability. In the year 2026, Tesla flips the switch at Fremont. Optimus Gen 3 enters production. This is real. 5'8", 125 pounds, a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, 10 to 12 hours on a single charge. 10 hours versus Neo's 4. That's a full factory shift. Tesla designed Optimus to work, not nap. But the real breakthrough is the hands. Elon Musk said it himself. Over half of Optimus engineering went into the hands. 25 actuators per forearm. 50 total per robot. Relocated from the hand into the forearm. Exactly like human muscle anatomy. Metallic cable tendons laced with force feedback sensors. Every grip, every pressure point, Every micro-adjustment feeds the neural network. The result? Over 3,000 discrete tasks, from sorting battery cells to cracking eggs to folding laundry without tearing fabric. Now the brain. Tesla didn't build a new AI for Optimus. They repurposed the one that already drives their cars. Full self-driving taught Tesla's AI to see the world. Optimus uses that same vision to navigate factory floors and living rooms. Add Grok, xAI's large language model, and Optimus doesn't just see. It reasons, it plans, it speaks. Optimus learns by watching human workers on video. Thousands of hours of factory footage become training data for the neural network.
Wasn't that incredible? Now let's dive into part 2.
Over 1,000 Optimus units now deployed across Giga Texas and Fremont. Sorting parts, kitting batteries, learning every shift. Tesla is shutting down Model S and Model X production at Fremont. Those lines now belong to Optimus. That's how serious this is. The target, 1 million Optimus units per year from Fremont alone. Giga Texas is building a 10 million unit line for 2027. At scale, Tesla targets a manufacturing cost of $20,000 per unit. That's cheaper than most new cars on the road. But let's be honest, Musk himself admitted on the Q4 earnings call, no Optimus robot is doing useful work yet. Not one. Robotics pioneer Rodney Brooks calls humanoid assistants pure fantasy thinking. Timeline after timeline has slipped since 2021. One is soft, safe, and shipping to homes this year. The other is industrial, ambitious, and building at unprecedented scale. Who wins?
You've seen what we both can do. Now it's time to decide.
2 humanoids, 2 philosophies, one built to live with you, the other built to outwork you. Let's settle this. Before the verdict, the numbers. Side by side, spec for spec, no hype, just hardware. Neo, 5'6", 66 pounds. Optimus, 5'8", 125 pounds. Nearly double the weight on the factory floor. Battery, Neo lasts 4 hours. Optimus runs 10 to 12. That's the difference between a chore and a full shift. Hands, both have 22 degrees of freedom, but Neo has 75 total body degrees of freedom. Optimus focuses power in the grip. Price, Neo, $20,000 or $499 a month. Optimus target 20 to 30,000. No consumer sales yet. Safety, Neo weighs half as much. Soft polymer body, pinch-proof joints. Head injury criterion under 250. Neo wins this round. Battery life, 10 to 12 hours versus 4. Optimus takes this one. It's not even close. Autonomy, Neo relies on human pilots for new tasks. Optimus uses a data flywheel from millions of miles of driving footage. Home readiness, Neo ships to consumers this year. Optimus won't reach households until late 2027 at the earliest. Manufacturing scale, Tesla targets 1 million units per year. 1X signed for 10,000 over 4 years. No contest. Now the deeper question. Neo's expert mode means a human from 1X can pilot your robot. They can see your kitchen. Tesla's approach is different. Optimus processes everything on board. No remote operator. No one looking through its eyes in real time. So the trade-off is clear. Neo learns faster with human help, but sacrifices privacy. Optimus keeps your data local, but learns slower. But here's the truth most people miss. Neo and Optimus aren't really competing. They're solving 2 completely different problems. For the home, Neo wins. It's lighter, safer, softer, quieter, and it's actually shipping to real people in 2026. For the factory, Optimus wins. Bigger battery, bigger scale, bigger ambition. Tesla is building the infrastructure to reshape global labor. But zoom out. This isn't really about which robot is better today. It's about what's coming tomorrow. Within 5 years, the home robot and the factory robot will converge. 1 machine for every environment. That future is being built now. The real winners aren't the companies. They're the people who get their time back, their energy back, their freedom back. 2026 is not the year robots replace us. It's the year they start helping us. And that changes everything that follows. The future isn't coming. It's already in the home and workspace. The only question left is, are you ready? If this opened your eyes to what's next, hit that like button. And if you know someone who needs to see where technology is heading, share this with them. Subscribe to Nova Tech and stay at the frontier of discovery.